Hello guys, welcome back to my channel guys. Will's Kitchen Table. Chef Will is here again guys with another amazing recipe for you guys. Guys, this is a quick breakfast I'm making this morning, but it's an energy breakfast guys. This one turns your energy up, all right? So guys, the first thing I'm gonna get going, I'll show you guys. I got banana right here guys, and I got a quarter cup of peanut. Guys, it's so precise. A third of a cup of blueberry and a half a cup of oats guys. All right, so and the banana, and I also got some honey. I got 1 cup of milk, 1 cup of water. All right, so I do half and half. All right, if you guys don't do dairy, you can just use water inside, works as well. Or if you have if you want to do almond milk, if you like it, you can use that. All right, so we're just gonna cut up our banana guys, get it inside here. First thing you want to do guys, pour some of the liquid right down to the bottom there. All right, we're gonna dump these in. It's my fresh peanut there. So what I did, I washed the peanut guys, because it's fresh peanut off the farm. Just gonna pour the rest of our milk inside. There we go. So guys, let's put the honey in. I'm gonna go 2 tablespoons. 1, 2. Guys, this breakfast, when I said energy, try it out. So guys, should be done. Pop it open. See all the goodness in there guys. I'm just gonna pour this out. You can see, wow guys, look at that. It's beautiful guys. This is one of the best energy smoothie I have made guys. Trust me, it's really turn up your energy in the morning. So you guys gotta try this one out. All right, I'm gonna take a sip of this. Wow, that's glory right there guys. Please try it out. Let me know how your energy turn up in the morning guys. Thanks for watching again guys. Like, share, subscribe guys to this channel. I appreciate every single one of you guys that's supporting, sharing, and liking the videos. All right guys, I'll see you in the next one.